Sup guys, let me show you all how to properly download this macro. First, you are gonna have to download the file in the Jolly Parrots Discord. After you got the macro file downloaded, you now gotta open the File and Files tab. You have to extract the file you downloaded. For that you need to click on the name of the file or the very left. After you are done downloading the file, you are gonna open it and open the main file. You can open A now. You are gonna need to follow these steps. Show later BTW. This is where you will be selecting what you want to macro. After you are done selecting, you have to press confirm and save. I am also using an older version right now. These boxes are for enabling the unit to be placed. The number next to them is the amount of the unit you want to put down. The priority upgrade prioritizes the units upgrade in number order 1 to 6, so 1 will be the first to be upgraded. You also need a webhook, which is really easy to set up. To set up a webhook, you are gonna need a Discord server. Name it whatever. It's not hard to make. You are gonna need a general. I made mine private. Now click on the Edit Channel button. Go to Interrogations. Create the webhook. Copy the webhook. Name doesn't matter. Now go back and paste it in. This will assess you the results of the macro runs. I've seen my units cost too much for this wave, but you get the point. But yeah, you get the idea. Now I'll show you how to get the settings in game. Also, if you haven't yet, like and sub. It really helps for other people to see the absolute banger macro mismade. Let's get to it. Alright, for the A settings, you need to be inside of a game. Go to Settings. Now for Roblox, you just need to open Settings on the top left. Now let me show you what to do if you don't have a link down below. Either look up AHK or go to the link down below. You are gonna need 1.1, or if it doesn't work, the newest version, try 1.1 first. If you have any question, join the server down below and go to help. You can ping me for bugs, issues, or questions regarding macros and stuff. For bugs, you need to DM me. personally or ping me in media with a recording of the error. DM missed if you are interested on CC early access, content creators only. Most importantly, subscribe to Fur. Without him this wouldn't have happened. Thank you for making such a good server. Ty for watching. Have a great day, HF Macrowing.